Hey Tiffany, this is Garrett. We're going to be going over the piano tutorial for Joy to the World, Joyful, Joyful. So it has like a little intro lick it does in the very start of it. You're going to start on your A flat. It's going to go A flat, C, D flat, E flat, A flat, and then just walk back down. Alright. And the bass, you can do double octave A flat if you want to. Just do that one right there. So it's going to be normal tempo. Alright, so again, that's A flat, C, D flat, E flat, A flat, and then just walk back down. Alright, so we're going to do that 4 times through at the intro, and then we'll come in on that first verse. So it's going to sound like this. For joy to the world, the Lord is come. When you get into that first verse, you're going to keep doing that intro lick. The only thing that's going to change, you're going to keep playing that in the right hand. But in your left hand, when the chord changes in the verse, you're going to play the root of that chord in the bass. So, joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. We will sing, sing, sing. Joy to the world. We will sing, sing, sing. 4 times again. Verse 2. When we get to verse 2, you're going to quit doing that in the right hand and just go to regular chords. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat, repeat the sounding joy. When we hit joy at the end of that verse 2, you're going to go back into that intro lick. We will sing, sing, sing. Joy to the world. We will sing, sing, sing. We're going to go to verse 3. It's back to chords here. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of his righteousness, wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders, wonders of his love. Same thing when you get to love, like when we get to joy, you're going to go back to that intro lick. We will sing, sing, sing. Joy to the world. We will sing, sing, sing. Oh. When we get to that bridge, joyful, joyful, we're going to hit the A flat and come off. Joyful, joyful, we adore thee. God of glory. It's going to be a vocal lead out. Then when we get to Hearts Unfold, we're going to start building up. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee, opening to the sun above. Then full in. Adore thee, God of glory, Lord of love. Hearts unfold like flowers before thee, opening to the sun above. When we get to above, on that second time we do the bridge, we're going to go back to the intro lick. We will sing, sing, sing. So we're going to do 3 hits on that sing. 1, 2. Joy to the world. Then we're all going to come back in with a trash can. And that's it. Whoa. So that's it for all the tutorial. So I wanted to play and sing through this so you had a reference to go by with this. Okay, so starting at the very beginning. 3, 4. 3, 4. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. Heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. We will sing, sing, sing. Joy to the world.